All right, good afternoon. Welcome to Texas Skydiving. How you doing today?
I'm good.
Good. So I see you're all harnessed up, ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to tell the people watching right now what's going on today and what brought you out here?
Okay, well today I'm going to go skydiving for the first time, and I just always wanted to do it, so I finally had the time and the money, so that's why I'm out here.
Right on. That's a perfect reason to come out. So before we head out, go up to 10,000 feet, travel 120 miles an hour back down to Earth. Anything you want to say to the camera or the people watching at home?
If I die, I love you.
Well, if that's it, let's go have some fun.
Okay.
I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Blue Manchu, and I looked deeper and I spoke sweeter and I gave forgiveness I've been denying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance to live like you were dying. He said I was finally the husband, and most of the time I wasn't. And I became a friend would like to have. And all of a sudden going fishing wasn't such an imposition. And I went 3 times that year. I lost.
Party rock! Yeah.
Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time.
Yeah.
And we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time.
I can feel this
and we gon' make you lose your mind.
Yeah.
We just wanna see you
shake that.
In the club, party rock. Looking for your girl, she on my jock. Now stop when we in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block. With a drink, I got to know. Tight jeans, tattoo, cause I'm rock, rock. Half black, half white, diamond now. Gang of money, open up.
Yo, I'm running through these halls like Drano. I got that devilish flow, rock and roll, no halo. We party rock. Yeah, that's the crew that I'm repping on a ride to the top. No lead in our Zeppelin. Hey,
party rock is in the house tonight. Woo! Everybody just have a good time.
Yeah,
and we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time.
Let's go.
Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time.
Feel it, man.
And we gon' make you lose your mind. We just wanna see you
Shake that.
Hey, welcome back to Earth.
You're free. I'm free. Okay. Thanks.
So how was it?
That was so much fun. Oh my gosh.
So glad you came out and did it then?
Yes. I'm very excited.
Right on. Well, congratulations. Welcome back.
Thanks.
And welcome
to
to...
do it again.
Yeah, well, we look forward to seeing you out here again.
Okay.
Congratulations. Welcome to skydiving.
Thank you.